What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna destroy entire lobbies with RPGs. I'm gonna cut the intro short, so I'm just gonna go. Also, thank you for 2K subs. Love you! Be whoop! Alright, so first I'm gonna start with grabbing a whole bunch of rockets. I'm gonna grab like 4 rockets for now. And then an RPG. Alright, well, I'm not trying to get killed instantly, so let's see what happens. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the top of this tower. This gives us a good, like, a height advantage type thing. And hopefully, some people will leave the safe zone. Alright. Let's get ourselves ready here. Right there. Oh! Got him! Alright. Oh, dude, I almost killed that guy. If you would have taken a few more steps, he's cooked. No, bro, that guy's over there. I can't hit him. I don't think I can. Can I? I don't think I can. Oh. Oh, he grabbed it and left. No! Hello!
You don't have a mouth, he's talking!
Oopsies. I think I got him. Oh, dude, I should have sent it. I was scared that he was gonna go back into the safe zone, but I don't know, bro.
Backpack full of RPGs for a stick, come in.
Come on, people. Oh, that guy might come out. Somebody's got to come out eventually. Hello.
Shoot. Come on, shoot it.
I will. 1 second.
Shoot it.
Guys!
No way I missed! That's actually crazy work. Thanks for taking it.
I'm not gonna kill you.
Yes, this is perfect!
Oh, come on. Okay. Oh, yep, that did it. That did it. Can I have it back? Can I have it back? Root beer! I love root beer! Oh, I love root beer! I love root beer!
I love big black men.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Fault. Actually, I should have this like this. Perfect. What's with all these grapplers and stuff? Or these, whatever they're called. Smoked them. Yeah, buddy. What you thought this was, huh? Oh.
Hello, I'm back. I died. A kid just killed me.
Okay. How do I don't think I can hit the guy. Oh, right there. I missed him. No way.
Get there. You go.
Bro, I'm aiming too low. No way. Okay, so the sights in this gun does not work. Okay, aim higher than you think. So like right there. I think I got him. Do you have any more in the backpack? I do. Okay. Last one. Lock in. Right there. Right? Oh, I want to get multi-kill. Right there. No. Oh, I got some. Oh, I got all but one. Okay. I gotta somehow get down there and get ammo.
Green, you're dead to me.
Hi, guys.
Can you buy me one? I need to do something for the community.
Uh-oh, I know what he's gonna do. I'm gonna start running if I see him. Oh, where's that guy going? Oh, right there. Bro, my aim is so bad. I swear I'm aiming higher than it's... Okay. I'm fighting myself here. My bad aim. This guy's trying to kill me. And now he's not.
Blood.
I might swerve in this corner, row. So many choppers and smoke.
Yo, Ryan, are you on a mission or something?
That guy right there. He's got stuff too.
I am.
Hello.
I am. Happy birthday, Grimace.
Hey, bro. It appears you aren't killing me. That's unfortunate.
Yo, who wants a blue bag?
Can I get a rocket, a flyable rocket?
No! No! I lost all my stuff. No.
Guys, I'm leaving the orbit.
No, you're not.
Guys, if y'all trip over that red thing, I'm gonna get red watch. And I have so many unreleased items.
I don't believe
It's
you.
on this side of the wall.
At least I'm not crossed.
I like ski by the toilet. Okay. This one should be a lot easier to aim. The other one I couldn't aim. See, like right there. Absolute perfect, dude. And he's dead too. No! Okay, well I don't have a grappler this time, so I'm gonna have to operate off the ground. That's alright. Now, is there anyone's gonna come out now after
I
the
made
recent
it.
explosions?
I have 1,000 grapplers. I have
No
1,000.
way. Bro, how?
Oh, there's
He's dead.
100 grab. Don't grab my book back. Don't grab.
Oh, how am I missing? That shot. That one did not miss. That's crap. Okay. Now, I got all my crap. Okay, wait, can I hit that guy? Chat, what's my aim? Oh, I killed him! I got him! Uh-oh. That guy's dead. Bad idea, bub. Bro, I'm exploding this entire lobby. Holy crap, dude. The devastation I am causing right now. They're all dead. It's probably hard to see from your view, but... Bro, what an absolute perfect rocket. How is that kid not dead? Oh, he's dead.
Pew! Yes! I'm leaving! Bye-bye!
There's a guy right there. No! Okay. I gotta pick these all back up. Go down there. Without dying. Okay. You're impeding my territory, cuz, when I see it. Bro, this lobby's cooked.
There's another supply drop coming in. More unreleased items. I am unreleased. Hey, there's a red watch over there. Another supply drop.
They're trying to hunt me, I think.
What kind of
That's what it sounds
unreleased
like.
items are?
Oopsies. Alright. Let's test out this server. Anybody want some? Yep, he's done. He died! I got him! Let's go, dude! I'm actually cracked at this. Best ever. Best ever of all time. Best. Good. Besterest. Best. Good. Good. I'm good. Pee pee poo poo. Come on, somebody. Yep, there it is. Target acquired. Target taken down, I think. Alright. Yep, target eliminated. That guy's definitely dead. Yep, he's plastered on a wall. Any more? No. Well, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later.